Welcome to Stay Brainy, Stay Curious. Puzzles and riddles aren't just games, they're a workout for your brain. From tricky math problems to clever verbal challenges, each one helps sharpen your logic, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. In today's video, we'll tackle some mind-stretching riddles and break them down step by step. So, put on your thinking cap and let's solve some puzzles together. Let's warm ourselves up with an easy classic. Find the difference. There are 5 differences. How quickly can you find them? Here they are, 5 differences. Were you able to find them all? On to something a bit more challenging. Which 2 words make a compound word when joined together? Should be simple enough. If you said be and long, you are absolutely correct because when joined together, they form a new compound word, belong. One of the crowd's favorite, the matchstick puzzle. The equation states that 5 plus 7 equals 2. That's obviously incorrect. Your job is to pick one matchstick that you can move and place somewhere else in the equation to correct the statement. This one is double tough since you need to remember your Roman numerals. Which matchstick do you move? To fix this equation, simply take the vertical matchstick from the plus sign and move it in front of the numeral 2 in the answer. This will transform the old equation to 5 minus 7 equals negative 2, which is perfectly correct. Wow! Find the odd one out. Can you find the pattern and tell which figure doesn't belong? Of course, the answer is C. It's the only shape with 5 sides, all the other ones have 6. This brain teaser will test your visual-spatial abilities. You've got a bunch of cubes stacked on top of one another. Can you tell how many cubes there are altogether? Let's dismantle this picture and count the cubes together, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 cubes altogether. Let's work on our left brain a little more. In this brain teaser, you must remove one letter from the top word and add it somewhere in the bottom word to create 2 new words. Can you do it? Watch this. Take the G from groom and slide it right down in front of lad. We went from groom and lad to room and glad. Back to our right brain. This riddle is quite tough, so let's see if you can crack it. If 1 plus 3 equals 12, and 2 plus 4 equals 24, and 3 plus 5 equals 40, then what is 4 plus 6? Try to find a logical pattern in each of the three given equations. Let's start with the first equation. We're gonna pay special attention to the second term in each equation. 1 plus 3 is 4. What's the relationship between 4 and 12? That's right, 4 times 3 is 12. Do you see why we highlighted this column? The second number is the number you must multiply the actual sum with. Let's check our theory on the second equation. 2 plus 4 is 6. If we multiply 6 and 4, we should get 24. That's a match. One more time. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Yes! Therefore, 4 plus 6, according to this logic, is 10 times 6, that equals to 60. So the answer to 4 plus 6 is 60. We're going to wind down with another easygoing puzzle. Find 5 differences. See if you can do it faster this time around. Here are the 5 differences. Easy peasy, right? Before I let you go, one more math puzzle. This one should be easy enough to solve, but can you do it in 20 seconds? Let's solve the puzzle together. From the first equation, we know that rocket plus kite equals 16. That means one rocket equals 16 minus kite. We can then substitute for the rocket in the second equation. Since we have 2 rockets, I'll just write 2 times 16 minus kite plus kite equals 14. Let's expand and do some math. 32 minus 4 kite plus kite equals 14. So 32 minus 3 kite equals 14. We can move 32 to the other side of the equation. That leaves us with negative 3 kite equals negative 18. So 1 kite must equal to 6. Now that we know the value of kite, we can plug that back into the first equation. So rocket equals 16 minus 6, that's 16 minus 12 equals 4. So final answer, the value for the rocket is 4 and the value for the kite is 6. We're gonna finish off with this tricky word puzzle. This is the name of a celebrity. You are given some clues. The numbers underneath correspond to certain letters. Some letters are not given at all. Can you figure out which celebrity this is? Let's break this down. I'm going to start with N. I know that N corresponds to 3, which means that this 3 right here represents N. Next, E. 5 means the letter is E. Therefore, we can plug in E right here on top of this 5. There's also L right on top of the 2. That means I can put letter L right here where the 2 is. And finally, A, which is linked to number 1. So I can go ahead and put an A right here above the 1. At this point, we have 4 letters missing, but we know that whatever letter is between L and N, it is also right here between L and E. I'm gonna let you guys figure this one out. Write down in the comments who you think the celebrity is.